Good evening, I'm Emily, and welcome to the Evening Update. Welcome to the Obscurious AI YouTube channel, your go-to destination for free AI tools and knowledge. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, unlocking the potential of cutting-edge tools and technologies. Don't miss out on our weekly uploads, where we break down complex AI concepts and provide step-by-step tutorials, all for free. Subscribe today and empower yourself with Obscurious AI. Your journey into AI starts here. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe it if you haven't subscribed this channel.
How about the video, guys? Please let me know in the comment. So you can create this kind of professional AI generated videos. Just you will have to give the text and they will speak whatever you will write it. So future would be so exciting because of the AI and machine learning. Let's start the video, guys. Firstly, you will have to come to this website. I have given the link in the description, ars1.ai. By clicking on that link, you will come to this interface. You will have to log in. So after logged in, this kind of interface will come, guys. Click on new video. Click on from template. So you can create any kind of video you want, like general learning and development, product marketing, news video, e-commerce video, product experience. So there are so many designs and pamphlet they have given. So I'll make a news video today. So there are so many templates. So you can choose any template you want. So I'll choose this one. Give the video name. Use template. Then you will come to this page. Here you can take help of this magic to write your script. I have already a script. So I'll just paste it. Just delete this script and paste your script. How many scenes you have, you can just add it. So I have only 2 scenes. Create video. Now the video is ready. You can play it from here.
Good evening. I'm Emily, and welcome to the Evening Update. Welcome to the Obscurious AI YouTube channel, your go-to destination for free AI tools and...
It looks so real. I'm very fascinating towards this. So you can think about the journalist. The journalist job in danger, because this looks so real. You can't even recognize that this video is generated through AI. So this is so amazing, and you can download it from here. For downloading, these are the plans, so you can choose it according to your need. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. All the best.